If you want to start using paid plan of Framer, you should click on the link in the description and use the promo code PARTNER25 for yearly to get 25% off and 3 months for free. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make portfolio in Framer. First, on your Framer account, click the new project button on the upper right corner, and it will redirect you to a blank page where you will create a content from scratch. Now on the left side, you'll see the different features of Framer. You can create page by template, and you can also select elements that you can put on your content or pages. As you can see here, once I click the portfolio template on pages, it will automatically generate a format for my portfolio. Now in here, you can put whatever title you want to put in your portfolio. You can also put an images in here. It's up to you. What kind of designs are you planning for to create? And that's it. So you can explore the Framer if you want to. It's up to you what kind of portfolio you are going to create, what kind of content you are going to put onto your portfolio. It's either your achievements, your products, your about self, or anything you want to put in it. It's up to you. And also for the designs, it's also up to you what kind of designs are you planning to create. And that's it. That's how you make portfolio in Framer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.